So the first thing we're going to do is just lighten up some of these lines. And each one of these waves will need this study. It's going to be tedious work because the truth of it is the water and the sky, but for me, particularly the water, is the story here. I've mixed up my paint colors, which are Viridian and a little cobalt blue. And I'm just going to step into this on dry paper. And study as I go. And just as soon as you get started, you see some things that you missed on the transfer. But that's where all of our drawing and observational skills come in handy. And we're not handicapped. So I'm pretty happy about that. Earlier on, as I started to paint, it would have just stopped me. And I can't say it does that anymore. There are different values here in the water related to depth and movement. So I know on this dry paper I'm going to be coming back. And I see it here. And I'm also getting confused. So let's just do what I know to do and what I understand to do, and that is right down here. I know that the water is behind these reeds and the foreground, so I'm going to go ahead and put that in. And every now and then my paint just skips over the paper, and it's just a good opportunity for another wave, or not. So just getting started here. I will mention to you that green, this is not an easy lift. So move cautiously, knowing that the Viridian is not an easy lift. We do know also that it will dry, I think it's 20% later. So we can always come back and darken, but all these shapes and the movement of the water, it's all pretty important to us right now. I'm using a number 6 brush, I believe it is. It's all worn off, but I think that's what it is. It could be a 4. My paint color is Viridian, and I will be adding, and I did add just a little cobalt blue to that. I'm working upright because I can see a little better, but you may decide that working flat for something like this could be very beneficial. There are some nice little waves in there. I'm pretty light in value until I figure out what's really going on, and then I'll start moving in here with some different values. I really think the water will be the easiest part of this whole painting, so enjoy it right now. Just enjoy it. And maybe I'm wrong for those of you who do landscapes. Maybe I'm wrong and I'll discover something, which I'm sure I will. I'm keeping my value.